Hey there! Welcome back to Cash Collect, where we're always on the lookout for the latest and greatest side hustles to help you earn some extra cash. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're going to be sharing not one, not two, but three secret side hustles for 2023 that no one is talking about yet. And the best part, you could earn over $1,000 per day with these side hustles. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Alright, let's get started. Three of the side gigs I'm about to describe today are bringing in as much as $1,000 daily for their owners. That's accurate, I did say daily. Number 1. You don't have to be the next Picasso or Michelangelo to sell your art online and make thousands of dollars per month. These kinds of images are downloaded and then resold on sites like Etsy. In case you're interested, this particular photograph may be purchased on Etsy for $4,350. An original photo of Bob Marley is up for auction here, and it will set you back $1,400. The general consensus holds that this is impossible due to copyright issues. But I'm here to inform you, dear friends, that it is quite feasible thanks to two words: public domain. There is artwork out there that you may use without worrying about going to court since the exclusive intellectual property rights have expired, never applied for, or been forfeited. People undertake a search for pictures in the public domain on sites like Raw Pixels, Unsplash, and freeimages.com. With freeimages.com, navigate to this area with a bar and click on Find Art. From there, you may search for images on any subject you choose. Did you know that a photograph of the Mona Lisa exists and is in the public domain? It's versatile enough to print on a canvas, a post, or anything else you can imagine, and you can sell it for a profit. Yet, you may look for any subject, and there are hundreds of photographs to pick from, all without spending a dime. Even if you're not keen on the photography or art market, you could want to consider selling inspirational canvases like the one I saw on Etsy. They're charging $215 for it. If you want something basic on a black backdrop, you can make it for free on Canva. And with products like these inspirational canvases for sale, this vendor has made a total of 307. For the sake of argument, let's pretend that all 307 of those sales originated from this one canvas. As a result, we may conclude that $66,000 has been made. I want to help you make money by providing free entry points into these markets, but that's not all. Also, if you link your Etsy shop with a print-on-demand service, the latter will print and send out the posters or images your customers request automatically whenever they place an order. Hence, stock management is not a concern. You may relax knowing that shipping labels will be generated automatically. You may focus only on making art and money without worrying about pleasing clients. Number 2. This next side gig is something you're already doing anyhow, and it pays out handsomely in the process. When compared to other online retailers, how frequently do you find yourself shopping on Amazon? I spent over $100 last year alone on shopping. Did you know though that you can get paid to write reviews of these and other products on Amazon? Just make a video of yourself giving a product review and upload it. Well, I'm going to demonstrate this neat tool, an eye massager. It's quickly become my go-to song. Very lovely. Those who would rather not put their faces in front of a camera need not fear. Instead, they need just film themselves discussing their experience with the goods. The company will pay you a commission each time one of your viewers goes on to buy a product after seeing your video. And the best part about this one is that you don't need a massive fan base to pull it off. In fact, you don't even need a fan base. Products like this one typically see a lot of traffic, thousands of page views per day, and a lot of sales, a lot of money on Amazon.com. Believe me when I tell you that they rake in billions of dollars annually in revenue. And with so many purchases being made, prospective buyers will naturally want to check out customer feedback. Hence, you should expect less competition if you uncover hot products that haven't been subjected to many video evaluations. Therefore, there's no need to worry about something getting stale. Let me illustrate this with an example. Suppose you visit Amazon. If you take a look at what's selling the most, you'll see that more and more people are purchasing gadgets, which is a good example of a high-priced item. One of the most popular pieces of electronic equipment right now is the Apple AirPods Pro, according to reports. When we do that, we notice that it now sits at 8,263 ratings. As a result, more customers must have bought it to get such a high rating. It's estimated that 800,000 individuals have bought these headphones because the average review rate on Amazon is 1%. Yet, if we head over here for a quick examination, we'll see that there are just 2 videos posted under this section. There isn't much of a challenger here. If you write a review and your readers end up buying the product, I'd want to thank you in advance. The headphones have a 6% commission fee, as seen above. If you sold 2 items for $239, you made around $14.34. Let's assume that 1% of the individuals who bought it did so because of your video evaluation. So, if you take 1% of it is $8,000, that's $114,720 based on a single evaluation from just 8% of the population. Also, you can take these figures at face value. All I'm doing is only attempting to provide a picture of what this may be like for you. Now, just so you know, if you're going to be writing Amazon product reviews, you need to really have bought the product in question. Number 3. Also, this is a side business that may bring in several $1,000s per month. Some individuals are paid upwards of $10,000 for this service. What I have in mind is transporting medical supplies. This field does not require a commercial driver's license. Due to the lack of very heavy lifting involved, this is a task that can be completed by almost anyone. You can utilize your own vehicle instead of renting large trucks or vans for this. You can no longer operate a tick-tick boom that requires you to get out and say a prayer before each and every start. You can make deliveries to Walgreens pharmacies or medical offices, but your vehicle must meet their age requirements and you'll need full coverage insurance. So, as I indicated, some businesses are willing to pay you up to $50 per hour for delivery labor, while others are willing to pay you up to $10,000 for a contract to make deliveries. cbdriver.com is the best resource for finding such deals and employment opportunities. There's also a program called Dispatch and a tool called Bungee Driver. There are a ton of other cool applications and websites I can show you. If you're interested, they also provide retail delivery in addition to medical supply delivery. There are a lot of great resources available to you now, and I wanted to provide some diversity for you to explore. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn $995 per day just by downloading free applications. So if you're interested in doing